How no do? How are they? How no do? How you all doing? Welcome to Jamaican Culture with Sha. Christmas a come. Go down at the road. And when you go down at the end of the road, you turn the corner. Yes, around the corner. Yes, Christmas is close. Hope you guys are doing well, best of health and everything, and giving thanks. In today's Jamaican culture, I want to do a little quiz, yeah, regarding our history. Which of the following is the highest mountain in Jamaica? Lord Jesus. The highest mountain in Jamaica. Oh, we have high mountain in Jamaica. We have Black Mountain. You know that. We have Blue Mountain. And we have River Mountain. Then now which one? Then say which one are the highest mountain? Oh, Blue Mountain. The Blue Mountain is up. You have to go up, turn around, and go up. Blue Mountain. Blue Mountain. Got it. Which of the following is not a color in the flag? Color in the flag. Me know all of the color in the flag. They are black, they are green, they are white, and they are gold. And not true. We don't have so much color in our flag. Which one of the following is not in the flag? Oh, me understand now. Green. Of course we have green. Oh, white. Yes, you're correct. We don't have white in the color of the flag. So our flag is black, green, and gold. Which of the following group of countries once ruled Jamaica? Me name was this what used to rule we. Me think we did big and bad. We don't need nobody to rule we. We were being ruled by one of these countries. USA and Canada, USA and Britain, Spain and Britain. We were ruled by Britain. Yeah, Britain. Britain did we there. Then it ruled we. Jamaica is famous for all of the following except. I wonder, oh no. Let me see what. Except Jamaica famous for all of these except one. Track and field, dancing, baseball. Then we don't play, we don't do all of them. We famous for all of them. We not famous for all of them. Which one we famous for? Me know. Oh, we famous for track and field. Track and field? Yeah, we good pan track and field. So we famous for track and field. True or false? The snake in Jamaica are poisonous. But me no snake never bite me yet. Snake ever bite you? You never bite me yet. But they say it no poisonous. So it's no poisonous. So it's false. It's not poisonous. Which of the following is written on the Jamaica coat of arms? Out with the people. Out of many one people. Out and about the people. Lord Jesus. Me think I hold with the people. Out to the people, and out to the people, out of many, one people. And that is a part, some of our culture, Jamaican culture. And as I said, we have all kind of, the way we live, the way we walk, the way we sleep, out of many one. We do everything different. If you find this video informative, interesting, like, yes, Christmas a come, you better give me a lot of love. Share, share it too. This is the season for giving, sharing, hey. Like, love. We love everything, but this is the season for love, share, give. Me what? All right. Have a great day, and thank you, as always, for watching.